So I was watching the new Bleach anime, and it inspired me to try and 3D print Byakuya's katana. Anyway, stick around, because the results are insane. The first step in making the katana is to 3D model it, so let's hop into Blender. Alright, now that the model is done, it's time to 3D print it. I printed it like this on my build plate. So after putting it together, sanding and painting, it was way too weak, so I had to reprint it, stronger. So after tweaking the design a bit, I added a connection between each piece and a peg that fits into the handle to hold the blade. I decided to reprint one of the pieces on its side to test its strength, and it was way stronger, so I then printed the rest of the pieces. Time for some satisfying support removal. I melted all the pieces together with a soldering iron. I then sanded everything down. I sprayed on a layer of filler primer. For the Suba and the rest of the pieces, I printed them on my Howlet 1 resin printer. After I printed them, I sanded them down. Then I sprayed a layer of silver on the katana. Then I sprayed filler primer on the Suba and the rest of the pieces. I added clear coat to the katana blade. I decided to respray the blade in a different silver because it looked better, and also I was running out of the first one. This silver looked really nice. When I went to put clear coat on, it ruined the shininess of it, so I had to not use it. I decided to reprint the Suba because it was warped. I also decided to reprint the Baki because it had a crack. When I tried to reprint it the first time, it failed because there wasn't enough supports. But the second time, it turned out nicely. I then sanded those parts. After that, I sprayed it with a layer of filler primer. Finally, it was on to spraying the gold. I also sprayed the handle. I had to sand down one side of the blade because the parts didn't fit. Then I sanded down the peg that I made so it could fit in the katana. Now that the handle's done, it's time to wrap it. This part actually took a long time to do. Anyway, on to the final reveal. Thanks for watching. Tell me what I should print next in the comments below.